Welcome everybody to the channel. This is Trayvon Pratt, your host with AIM, Always Improving the Mind, and we're going to be talking about mindset. It is now May, Mental Health Awareness Month. We're going to dive deep on some things that might be a little touchy, but it's some things that we're very much needing. And we're going to bring some clarity towards a lot of subjects. Go ahead and comment right now. What do you think of when you think of mental health? What's the first thing that comes to mind? Go ahead and comment. Also, go ahead and subscribe because we're going to be posting multiple times a week this month, not just once. Normally we post on Fridays. We're going to be posting multiple times a week in this month for mental health awareness, touching on some of the key topics. We're also going to be going live every day on the Instagram. So go ahead, follow the Instagram. That link is in the description. Hit that link. Go ahead, follow us so you can connect with us one-on-one or through the live. Give us your comments, give us your feedback. Thank you all for being here, and I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Go ahead and hit that playlist for the Mental Health Awareness Month.